Kyara, are you done with your game? It's time for studies.
I know where to use it.
Welcome to the magical world of Harry Potter.
Guys, before I start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So the first toy which we will be unboxing is this magic wand. So what do we got here? First we got this manual and we got the magic wand. So guys, this is the magic wand. Guys, I only have one wand, so I will be doing the single wand mode. So first turn on your wand, then it will start recalibrating. Then to start your training, you will have to click on the first button. It will give you a pattern. So if you do the pattern correctly, it will give you a unique sound. We have 11 spells and each spell has a different sound. Now we have the free play mode. So you can use your wand however you want. It was quite fun. I liked it a lot. I'm sure you guys will also like it. But it would be so much more fun if I had another player and then we could do competitions and have a lot of fun. I don't know where to use it.
Kyara, are you done with your game? It's time for studies.
I know where to use it. So the second toy which we are going to unbox is this owl. The name of this owl is Hedwig. This is for 4+. You will need 2 AAA batteries. Hedwig can make 12 unique sounds. Hedwig's head rotates. He also responds to sounds. It's unboxing time. Hedwig. Oh, I need the batteries. Let me use my magic wand. Yes, I got it. So what do we got here? First we got the owl and then we got the instruction manual. Hello. As you can see, he is responding to my voice. So where do we have to put the battery? We have to put the battery here. And then there is the on-off switch to turn on Hedwig. When you clap or talk loudly, Hedwig will respond to you. And every time it makes a different sound, right? I had lots of fun doing this video. Bye bye. See you in the next video.